Every great building begins with a vision. But without proper planning, design, and structural safety, that vision can fade. We are Dwelup Corporation, delivering complete architectural and engineering solutions. We provide complete pre-construction services including 2D AutoCAD drafting, 3D architectural modeling in SketchUp and Revit, structural analysis and design using ETABS and SCP 2000, construction estimation and BOQ, quantity surveying, Vastu-Based Planning, and detailed bar bending schedules. We use advanced tools like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, ETABS, SAP 2000, PlanSwift, and Excel BOQ to ensure precision at every stage. From concept to creation, we transform ideas into practical, accurate, and buildable solutions. Dwelup Corporation, from concept to creation, your vision, our creation. Dwelup Corporation. Contact us today.